We are now going to play a game of noughts and crosses. In Hebrew, you call it X-tricks. So, the first group is welcome to come to the board. And could you please tell me what this is? What is this? What is this? The second group is welcome to come to the board. Please come. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? What food 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 is this?